Alright, now the build environment. Now the first thing, delete workspace before build starts. So you want to make sure you have a fresh, for example, you don't need to clone on a specific, so you will pull with rebase or you pull the code. You don't need that. So to avoid, for example, the cache or whatever, you can just delete the workspace. And here you can see that we have more advanced options like the parameter you want to check, disable, defer, wipe out, external deletion command if you want, or you can have a pattern for the files to be deleted as well. All right. Now here you can use secret text or files. If I click on it and add, you can see add a certificate as a user private, secret zip file, secret text, user root and password, and so on. All right. And actually the secret and or files, if I read from here, you can see that you can allows you to take credential of various sorts and use them from a shell build steps and the like. Okay, so you are using a shell script, PowerShell, you can use these files on that shell, all right, which is something very useful. Abort the build if it is stuck. So you can see that we have absolute, decline, elastic, likely stuck, no activity. So the timeout is 3 minutes, the timeout variable, and you can add the action, which is the abort the build, fail the build, or writing the build description. All right, depends on what your needs. Adds timestamp to the console output. So if I click on here and I build it, now as you can see we have error. Let's see what's, yeah, I forget that, but anyway you can see that this time we have a timestamp actually, and this is something useful if you want to investigate why it is taking long or how much the specific command is taking long or whatever. All right, now if you go to the previous one, we don't have anything like that actually. As you can see, no timestamp at all. And actually the error because I didn't provide any GitHub repo. As you can see, I'm using the Git, but I didn't use or enter any Git repo. Let's put it for none for now, and let's apply it. Okay, now let's remove the timestamp. Now here you can see that we have the, yeah, which is mean it is saved. All right. Now the inspect build log for published Gradle build scans. So if you are using Gradle and you want to inspect the build log, you can do that actually, which is something very useful. Depends on what you are working on. You can use the build with ant, so prepares an environment for Jenkins to run builds using Apache Ant, and notate ant specific output to display executed targets. So you can see optionally sets up ant and JDK or JDK installation. All right, so I click on here and as simple as that. All right, now this lecture was fast actually and was very quick, but okay, I will see you in the next lecture where the real action will start, which is the build. And here we can see that we will learn a lot. All right, I will see you there.